बिजनेस वैल्यूएशन। बिजनेस वैल्यूएशन हम लोग क्यों करते हैं? ये फर्स्ट यूनिट है। यूनिट सेकंड हमने कंप्लीट किया, मर्जर्स। मर्जर्स के ऊपर प्रैक्टिकल प्रॉब्लम्स। ओके, वी हैव कंप्लीटेड सेकंड यूनिट, नाउ आई एम स्टार्टिंग विद द फर्स्ट यूनिट। बिजनेस वैल्यूएशन का जो कॉन्सेप्ट है, ऑल इन्वेस्टर्स आर इंटरेस्टेड टू नो द वैल्यू ऑफ कंपनी। All investors are interested in knowing the value of business before purchasing shares of company. If I talk about the share value and if I multiply with the number of shares, I will get the market value. So why valuation is required? Shareholders are disputing and they want to know the value of company. Whenever we buy or sell our investor stake, any investor selling his stake into the company or is purchasing the shares of company, is going to check the market value of company. Okay, so valuation of business is used by finance manager to arrive at more accurate valuation. Valuation depends on the company, on the company's performance. If the company is earning super profit, if the company is earning super profit, then company will be having a good goodwill in the market, high goodwill in the market, and this will be measured through new techniques like economic value added. We will learn one new technique in this chapter, that is economic value added. What is book value? बुक वैल्यू मीन्स जो पेड अप कैपिटल होता है, आपने देखा है ना बैलेंस शीट के अंदर इशूड एंड पेड अप कैपिटल देखा है आपने? इशूड एंड पेड अप कैपिटल, किसी भी कंपनी के शेयर्स कितने इशू हुए हैं और उस पे कितना पेड अप कैपिटल उन्होंने कलेक्ट किया है, और वो बुक वैल्यू होती है। बुक वैल्यू मीन्स बैलेंस शीट वैल्यू। जैसे ही बुक वैल्यू बोलूंगी आपको याद आना चाहिए कि बैलेंस शीट के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं। बैलेंस शीट में 2,50,000 इक्विटी शेयर्स ऑफ ₹10 ईच फुल्ली पेड लिखा है। वापस बता रही हूँ मैं, 2,50,000 2,50,000 equity shares of ₹10 each. What is the balance sheet value? Tell me quickly in the chat box. What is the book value? बैलेंस शीट का मैंने आपको कंटेंट बता दिया, पर्टिकुलर्स बता दिया, आपको मुझे अमाउंट कॉलम बताना है। टेल मी इन द चैट बॉक्स। शिफाली and Saurabh, Harsh Gala, 25 lakhs. Exactly. 25 lakhs is perfect answer. So this is book value. If I say 50,000 companies having 50,000 preference shares of ₹10 each fully paid up, what is the book value? Very easy again. This is 50,000, 10% preference share. Preference share dividend is 10%. What is the amount? Kaman Shah, Harsh Kala, 5 lakhs. Perfect. So this is the book value. Now if I say the same question and now I'm changing the prices. If I change the price on the stock market, shares of company are trading at 80 rupees. Okay. What will be the value? And preference shares are trading at 100 rupees. It started with 10 rupees, it went up to 100. Equity share also started with 10 rupees. It reached 80. Now tell me, what is the value? Are you able to understand what is this market value? Shares that are sold in the market at a price of 80. All the shares of listed companies are sold at the market price, not at book value. So what is the price? Tell me in the chat box quickly. All of you participate giving answers during the lectures. It will be interactive session. Same number of equity shares, but the price is 80 rupees in the market because of demand and supply. What is the price? 2 crores. It is 2 crores. TY-BAF Shifali Shah perfect. And TY-BAF roll number 58 perfect. Now, this value 50,000 into 100. Answer is 50 lakhs. Okay, 50 lakhs is the answer. Okay, roll number 18 perfect. So I hope you understood what is the difference between the book value and the market value. Book value is something called as balance sheet value, which is having the face value multiplied with the face value. And what is the market value? Market value of equity shares, that is market capitalization of equity shares is 2 crores and market capitalization of preference shares is 50 lakhs. Now we come to the third, economic value. What is economic value? It is also called as intrinsic value. Intrinsic value. This intrinsic value is calculated by discounting the future cash inflows. अभी तक जितना भी सिखाया था फर्स्ट ईयर सेकेंड ईयर में, वहां पे आपको फ्यूचर वैल्यूज होता था प्रोजेक्ट का एस्टिमेटेड फ्यूचर वैल्यूज. यू विल डिस्काउंट विद द appropriate discount rate. The maximum price at which business can be acquired is economic value. Example, company A will be acquired by company B because company A is having future earnings. Company A will earn future earnings that are greater than company B earnings. So what will happen? Company B will plan to acquire company A, and whatever future earnings company A will earn, estimated values will be discounted with the factor of required rate of return. Future earnings will be future earnings of company A will be discounted with the required return of company B. In this way, they can calculate the maximum price at which they will pay the consideration. When you acquire a company, you will pay the consideration. Company A will be acquired by company B. Company B will decide the intrinsic value, that is price to be paid at the time of purchasing the business assets and liabilities. So your company B is purchasing company A. In this, they will calculate the value. That value is called as economic value. We are going to calculate the purchase consideration, that is called as intrinsic value. So all the cash inflows will be discounted with 1 plus K, that is the discounting factor. Appropriate discounting factor will be taken into consideration, and you will calculate the value at which you will purchase the company. I hope it is clear. So when you are acquiring a company, what amount you are going to pay, you will use this discounting factor formula, and all the cash inflows you will discount, future cash inflows you will discount. You will get present value of cash inflow, and that aggregate value will be called as, that aggregate value will be economic value. Is it clear? What is economic value? So this is the value which you are going to pay at the time of purchasing company. Next is liquidation value. Liquidation of business means winding up. At the event of selling the company, you are selling the company because of some reason. Maybe you're not able to perform, your company assets are getting obsolete. So you are selling your assets and liabilities. When you are selling all the assets, you will subtract the external liabilities. So that is liquidation value. Assets minus liability is the liquidation value. Whatever you are getting the liquidation value, first it will be paid to preference shareholders and debenture holders, then it will be paid to equity shareholders. At the time of winding up, first preference priority is given to preference shareholders. They will be getting the amount of winding up, and later on you will pay to debenture holders, and if the amount is still with us, then we will pay to equity shareholders also. Next is replacement value. It is replacing of old asset with new asset. Okay, any machine which is getting old day by day, you're going to sell it on one day. One day you will sell all the equipments which are getting old and not working, and you will buy all the new machineries and equipments for your business. That means you're going to buy all the tangible assets, that is plant and equipment, that is called as replacement value. What is a salvage value? It is a residual value of an old asset after its usage. What is goodwill? If the firm is earning super profit, it is called as real goodwill of company. If your higher rate of return, if you are earning higher rate of return on an investment compared to the competitor, compared to the other industry people, okay, you can compare your business with them. If you are earning super profit, it is resulting in goodwill. And super profit is calculated by using the number of years. It is useful in mergers and acquisition decisions. M&A में ये बहुत ज़्यादा यूज होता है. नेक्स्ट इज फेयर वैल्यू. जब हम लोग फेयर वैल्यू के ऊपर सम्स करेंगे, फेयर वैल्यू मेथड से सम्स करेंगे, तो आपको क्या करना है, इंट्रिंसिक वैल्यू और बुक वैल्यू. फेयर वैल्यू में इंट्रिंसिक वैल्यू एंड यील्ड वैल्यू, ये दोनों को प्लस करके डिवाइड बाय 2 करेंगे, यानी एवरेज ऑफ मार्केट वैल्यू, बुक वैल्यू एंड इंट्रिंसिक वैल्यू.